Hi, I'm Phil from PMC, and this is PMC's new custom installation range, the CI series. The flagship is the CI 140. It's nominated for Best of Show. We also have the CI 30, the 45, the 65, and the 90 Slim. These are all new models from PMC. We pride ourselves on being at the higher end of the speaker market. And we pride ourselves on the advanced transmission line, which is a transmission line technology. It's used for bass coming out of the bottom end of the cabinet to extend low frequencies. And we have lots of different technologies on show here, coming from Encompass, Laminaire, and Quickfire. Quickfire is our new mounting technology. It's literally a 30-second mount in and out. And yeah, we look forward to selling lots of these products. www.pmcspeakers.com